Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. Jericho 5. Missile. In the complex arena of global security, few missile programs have drawn as much attention and speculation as Israel's Jericho series. At the forefront of this development stands the Jericho 5, the latest and most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile attributed to Israel's strategic arsenal. The Jericho 5 represents a significant leap in range, payload capacity, and survivability compared to its predecessors. Reports suggest that it is capable of reaching targets across continents, with an estimated range exceeding 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers. This places it firmly in the class of true intercontinental ballistic missiles, designed not only for deterrence but also for ensuring second strike capability in the face of existential threats. Technologically, the Jericho 5 integrates solid fuel propulsion, enhancing both readiness and response time. Its advanced guidance systems believed to combine inertial navigation with satellite updates granted an exceptionally high degree of accuracy. In addition, the missile is reportedly designed to carry multiple re-entry vehicles, potentially including independently targetable warheads, which dramatically increases its strategic effectiveness against missile defense systems. What makes the Jericho 5 particularly significant is its role in Israel's doctrine of deterrence, often referred to as the Samson option. In a volatile region marked by shifting alliances and persistent threats, the Jericho 5 stands as a cornerstone of strategic stability. It embodies the principle that credible deterrence is not measured only by possession of nuclear capability, but by the reliability, survivability, and reach of the systems that deliver it. In summary, the Jericho 5 is more than a missile. It is a symbol of technological mastery and strategic foresight. It reflects how smaller nations, through precision engineering and security innovation, can project strength on a global scale and maintain a balance of power in an increasingly uncertain world. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.